I know I'm driving, and this is pretty unsafe. But the road is dead, and so I have a freaking tractor. Oh, the tractor's turned off now. It's just a crap car I'm stuck behind now. Anyway, we're here to celebrate Kaci, who is my car, and it's her 100,000 miles anniversary, as you can see now. We are 999998. Very soon. We're going to 999999. Then over to 1000000. Obviously, I'm actually looking at the road as we speak now. Mainly at the stupid slow car in front of me that's doing 40 miles an hour and a 60 limit. Well, I'm going to attempt to overtake. Oh, no. Momentous occasion. Kaci comes of age. It's 100,000 miles old, which means I've done just under 9,000 miles since I bought her. So 10,400 miles on the clock. Back in 2002. Just anyway. When I bought her. And any second now, see that little thing tick over 100,000 miles. Probably means she deserves a service. She usually has one every year, but she hasn't had one this year because I'm too poor. But she'll have one next year. Just before my MOT, make sure I pass this flying colour. Here it comes. Whee! There we go. Kaci is 100,000 miles old. She should be very proud. Bye.